As the national convener and in charge of South India, I express my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Shri Indresh Kumarji, office bearers, supporters, and well-wishers who has contributed to this journey. Together, we will continue to work for national unity, harmony, education, and the welfare of every citizen. Let us move forward with the spirit of service, patriotism, and brotherhood. Let us strengthen the bonds of unity and contribute towards the vision of a strong, peaceful, and developed India. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Commission for Minority Educational Institutions, Government of India. Token of love and gratitude. Following now, Jay. Sure.
जनाब इंद्रेश कुमार जी के आदेश के अनुसार आज अभी जनाब अहमद मलिक वदियार जी को संयोजक बनाया जा रहा है। शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद, कंग्रेचुलेशन।
इस यही चीज मैं इंग्लिश में भी बोलना चाहूंगी। In recognition of the services rendered by him and in order to spread the ideology and programs of MRM in the state of Tamil Nadu, we are proud to appoint Mr. Ahmed Malik Wadiar, a reputed entrepreneur, as the convener of the Muslim Rashtriya Manch from today. And here we go. Let's give him a huge round of applause. Let's wish him and let's cherish the moment together. हमारे विजय शंकर मिश्रा जी भी उन्हें माला पहनाकर संबोधित करना चाहेंगे।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तबारकल्लज़ी बियदिल मुल्क व हुवा अला कुल्ली शैइन कदीर। अस्सलामु अलैकुम, वनकम, welcome all. Actually, I am not a really stage speaker. This is a child speech. This is the first time in the stage. So I would like to share my feelings. Why I am here for Muslim Rashtra Manch and what for here. This is my feeling, but nothing is political. It is just, I was fed up in my life, personal life. I started my career at the age of 15 with an orphan. My mother is from the Punjab. She is from North India, Sharada Shaigal. She belongs to Brahmin family. And my father is a Muslim from the south, and they married, and we had 3 children. After that, my father forcefully divorced my mother, and I became an orphan. My life was till 15 years with a tortured stepmother. Everything to get food, even my studies, I couldn't continue my life. So what happened? I just studied, I made some money. After I thought, why should I go for education? About my college first year, I discontinued. Again, I went for my job. I started my career from the base. Why I am telling these stories for youth. Please, every youth can win. We can, we win, we will. Which Abdul Kalam ji's, the slogan, we can. First dream, plan, everybody can achieve. This is why I am not a big politician family. I am just a farmer. We are a fisherman. Our ancient business is a shipper. We used to run, the Marakalam. We call shipping. That's a Wadayars. That is my title name. But my intention, I was with my family. I studied. I was a bachelor till 27 years. Then married life is 30 years. Now I find some is hollow there. There's nothing in my family because I don't get time with my children eat with me one breakfast or lunch, or everybody busy. So I thought I dedicate myself to the nation, dedicate my society. Where Nitin Gadkari ji said, all Muslims is not much educated, under poverty, and they don't know what is the the intellectual. They are under the poverty. But we blame always Hindus. we blame our country, we were opposed from the British time when we were Hindus. Our root was Hindu, but we were not forcefully Muslim. But when all other countries like Afghanistan, Mughals all invaded and they are conquered, by forcefully we are converted. But we are not Muslims. But with the religious is the மதம் என்பது வேறு, மார்க்கம் என்பது வேறு. மதம் என்றால் நாம் ஒரு மதம், பட் அது மதம் என்பது மதம் பிடித்த யானையை போல, மார்க்கம் என்பது பின்பற்றுவது, நல்ல செயல்கை, நல்ல கொள்கை, நல்ல சிந்தனை, நல்ல எண்ணங்கள், நல்ல யோடு வளர்வது. அதனால் நாம் எப்பொழுதுமே எதிர்த்தே பழகிவிட்டோம். when freedom fight, we were all Maulanas, madrasas, we were fighting against the Muslim, that what you call freedom against the British. Afterwards, we were with the Muslim League, where the British divide and rule. They made us to divide, and always we will be opposite, never be the ruler side. So why can't we think now we are Muslim? There is no enmity with RSS. The RSS mean, I don't know what is the name they made it. It's a Rashtriya Swam Sevak Sangh. That means what Rasulullah said in the Medina. That only their intention. See, whenever you listen Mr. Mohan Bhagwatji's speech, you will live very, very luxurious life. What he say? You live with your family, eat with your family at least in 2 days, spend, save money, don't expand your legs and buy credit cards, or don't look fashions, don't buy foreign things, don't spend money, don't buy, you are beyond the limit. That's what Mohan Bhagwatji say. And sit with your family, you really realize and think of hereditary, our history, our ancient who we are. We are Indians. So Anyada Shakti, our living legend of Ramachandra Prabhu is Mr. our Indraji. Actually, I was accidentally I was with Mr. I went for Prayagraj for my, that there was some saying was there. I should go Kashi, so I went to Kashi. There was in the Kashi, I did my Pitru Dosha. So when Pitru Dosha, I about to meet our Guruji Vijay Shankar Mishra Ji. When I met with Mishra Ji, before I was very fear with RSS about Hindu religious, but I am already bitter with the Muslim parties, where in our local party, I don't want to name them names, the Muslim parties all became a commercial parties. When you have something, when you go and complain, they will immediately ask you give me 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs or percentage, then only they work. Nobody in this. When I went with them, when I didn't have any money, when I went to Prayagraj, I lost my purse, everything. When Vijay Shankar Mishra Ji took me his home, he gave me food, he gave me shelter, then he realized me that what is Hindu and Islam. So, Manu Nidhi Shastra, we all from one God of they call Manu Nidhi, we call Adam. We all from one father, one mother, one religious. Why? I don't know why. But we should not think that RSS is different. It's a Swam Sevak Sangh. So I invited many Muslims, but many people did not follow my invitation. Even I don't care. Now I am here not to make money. By grace of God, I made plenty of money. I have plenty of wealth. I am come politics, not for to make money. I had, the hollowness in my life. After the 57 years, I see I did not need my family. So I thought I work for my country, I work for my community, where our Ilyaji used to tell me that there is no proper education, poverty, and widowed, and this and all is there. Wherever I go, I see shoe shop, all Muslim guys is working. But I didn't find these guys in IT, where basically I'm also very big corporate company vendor, where I world class vendor, where I see world class in company. I never see few Muslim guys in above higher position. But this is our intention. Our living legend Sri Ramachandra Prabhuji and our Shahid Akhtar Saab motivated me to spread the Muslim Rashtra Manch, give them education, shiksha for everyone, and for job opportunities, and the fear when SIR came, when CAA came, all we talk, because the Anya Shakti and British divide and rule, America, China and other countries doesn't want our India to be joined, unite and be bigger, stronger and greater India. So they make a reels. Even I was in UP and I was in back nook corner of the UP. I never see that in Banaras I saw all the Muslim Maulana are very big, richest people, factory, Banaras silk. But I see the Sadhu Sannyasi are poor. Even I ask everyone, how is Yogi? The rule is here. Do you feel any fear? Or you have any problem? Are they hatred? Or they do riots? Anything? They say nothing. All these reels are created. It's all made by the one group, which is the Anya Shakti. Anya Shakti means you will not understand that our Ra is very strong. So that's why they couldn't split our India, how they splitted in Bangladesh or Pakistan. But Ajit Doval ji is very strong. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi ji, and Amit Shah, and other, we have got Jaishankar ji. We have very good, strong and very strong that politics system. Even we have army, everything very strong. So they cannot do. So with the uneducated, illiterate people only making reels, kindly don't see the reels, don't follow the reels. You do pray, how worship, like that you love your neighbors. At least your surrounding neighbors you start loving, and we will get friendship. Whatever intention, when you see person is an enemy, he will also see you enemy. When you don't see, I was in Nagpur, I was in all the Sindhu Kumbh Mela also with our Guru Shankar Maharaj. There was 5,000 people, nobody hated me. By saying Muslim, I am Ahmad Malik Sayyid. Everybody adopted me, everybody loved me, hugged me, respected me. When I went to Indreshji Maharaj, I met at least 5 times. I was sitting outside. Many people came, Sikhs, Sindhis, and Punjabis, Jain, everybody came. And you know what I saw when we used to see in the Hadith, Rasulullah was in Medina, used to do, the charity, and used to do the practice of Islam, and show that, mercy. That's what I see in his face. There is a rich people used to come, millionaires, billionaires, poor, beggars, and anybody came. And our beloved Maharaj, living legend, Ramachandra, Shri Ramachandra Prabhu, our Indresh Maharaj ji, never shown the fried face. I was in many political with assistant, with a very big politician. Even they used to welcome only rich people. Their assistant, their disabled only receive rich people. When they see the poor people with the thing, they stop, they never. You don't mind, my beloved brothers and sisters. Indresh ji is not ordinary man. He's got a Z plus security in RSS Bhavan in Delhi. There itself, the poor man, ordinary man also can meet him. Even he will take, I was there, I seen he's donating for education, he's donating for marriage. In front of me, 64-year-old male and 55-year woman. They are divorcee, both got married in front of us when the judge was Mr. Vijay Shankar Mishra ji. So we should be more, we broad. We want to make everybody unity, not the thinking of, RSS and Hindu, Muslim. That's nothing. We have to think beyond that. The world is something better than this. We are in, advanced stages. So you all forget everything and start loving our neighborhood, start loving our brothers. Whenever I went all the temple, they used to say Om Namah Shivaya. I used to say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Because this universe is created by our Allah. I used to tell them Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Muhammad, which is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita. That Muhammad will be there. Mahadev is Allah, one creator. He is not created by one, or he is never created by anyone. That is the Surah Kul Huwallahu is there very clearly. That's what in Sanskrit also is there. My loved brothers and sisters, please go deep and read. So no hatred, no differences. We love together. If the people you spread this meeting, this is not just for the posting. I am coming here to work for a society. You make your children, educated, higher education, the Muslim Rashtra Manch and the BJP, and what about our government, current situation government is helping for us. They are giving, subsidy for us. And there is, if even that poor guy who, telewala or platform shop, they are giving 10,000 loan. If he pay the loan properly, they have to pay 8,000 only. The subsidy is 2,000. When if you completed that, they will give 5,000, 50,000. Then they will give 1 lakh. Even for a student, for all the loans, they are subsidized by 25%. And even for widows, they have the Grama Panchayat Yojana, Modi ji Rozgar Yojana, many things are there. We just forget everything. We make our only minority schools. We go, even our minority school, our children never cross the 50% of marks. They only below the 40%. Again, we go for a recommendation. That's not need. Now you can see, brothers and sisters, Brahman community is nothing. They don't have any percentage also. But OBC, BC, backward community, all getting government, everything. But even though the Brahmins, they are in the high level. Why? Because of they know that we have to work hard, we have to study. So when they stop our quota, when when our Arjun Singh's time, what they said, Mr. Prime Minister, हम लोग गए ना, उनका नाम क्या? VP Singh made the quota. Afterwards, you know what they did? They became a chartered accountants. When the quota, again they became foreign America, they went and studied, and IT industry. So wherever you stop Brahmins, they're going higher and higher. Like an eagle, we should be like an eagle, not like crows. So you understand, my brother and sisters. So we should not demand, we should not blame anyone. So we forget everything. We support our Indian government. We support central rules. If anything is there, when I met first time our Guru Ramachandra Prabhu, I asked Sarji, I see many videos, many reels. People are rioting our mosque. They are removing our churches. They are invading our churches, and the riots is there. Though Amar Ramachandra ji immediately sent me to meet Mr. Shahid Akhtar ji. Shahid Akhtar ji is a minority chairman, and all over India, all IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS is controlled. So he told me that why you worry, where it's happened, it's nothing happened. Whenever it's happened, you call me. There is in your station, in your state, in your district, we have a protocol system. IAS is there, IRS is there, IPS is there. So we will immediately we bring them. We will immediately we take action and behind the bars. This is the situation. I don't know how to speak. Anyway, I expressed my feelings and my thing. I want our beloved Dr. Indresh ji to give you address. Anyway, if it's my speech like a child speech, anything wrong, don't find me fault. Enemy, correct me and give me your suggestion. Anyway, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.
Applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I request you all to please be a part of this moment by giving a huge round of applause. And may I request us a message that along with humanity, environment also is equally important. And I ensure that we all, be a part of his journey.
उस ब्रेक होने के बाद हमने 5 हमले पाकिस्तान से और 2 युद्ध बांग्लादेश से भी किए. Be careful. Never the religion is an identity. Never the language is an identity. Never the caste is an identity. Before 47, Lahore is known as Hindustan. After 47, India broke. Lahore and Dhaka becomes Pashchimi and Purvi Pakistan. In 71, Pakistan broken. This Lahore becomes Western Pakistan से ये पाकिस्तान हुआ और ढाका जो था वो बांग्लादेश हुआ. I have a grand meeting in Assam with the Bangladeshis. मैंने कहा कि जब आपके पूर्वज जन्मे थे, they are Hindustanis. जब भारत टूट गया तो आप पाकिस्तानी बन गए. जब पाकिस्तान टूट गया तो आप बांग्लादेशी बने. आपका चेंज ऑफ आइडेंटिटी जो है इससे कोरिलेट करती है. चेंज ऑफ आइडेंटिटी. ढाका का आदमी पहले हिंदुस्तानी था 100 साल पहले, फिर वो पाकिस्तानी बना और आज वो बांग्लादेशी है. मैंने कहा आपको कभी एक दिन सपना आए फिर से कुछ आइडेंटिटी चेंज करने की इच्छा करे तो वापस हिंदुस्तानी हो जाना, ठीक ठाक हो जाएगा. ये आपस का संकट, क्वर्ल, संघर्ष, कन्फ्लिक्ट, इससे मिलेगा क्या? मैं अभी बेलगांव गया हुआ था, मैंने कुछ नहीं मिला, घर में शांति से, देश में शांति से थे, तो पानी के लिए लड़ पड़े। रिस्पेक्ट फॉर ऑल, इट इज ए वे टू पीस एंड डेवलपमेंट. Hatredness and conflict with all, it is a way of शैतान. हज में उसको पत्थर मारे जाते हैं, शैतान के लिए पत्थर लिखा है, तभी आप हाजी बन सकते हैं. उसको मोहब्बत देंगे तो आपको बर्बाद कर देगा, पर इंसानियत को पत्थर देंगे तो आप बर्बाद हो जाएंगे. शैतान को पत्थर नहीं देंगे तो आप बच जाएंगे. पर शैतान बड़ा जोरदार है, हर साल पत्थर खाता है, मालूम नहीं कहाँ जाता है. अगले साल फिर हज के समय में तैयार होकर आकर खड़ा हो जाता है. पहले 2 लाख पत्थर मारा करते थे, आज 20 लाख 50 लाख पत्थर मारते हैं. इसलिए जिंदगी के अंदर शैतान नहीं बनना, जिंदगी का मिशन है इंसान बनना. जिंदगी का रास्ता है इंसान से भी फरिश्ता बनना. आज की महफिल में मैंने इसलिए स्वीकार किया था कि साउथ इंडियन सब इकट्ठे आएंगे, और इधर चेन्नई के अंदर मैं कुछ साल पहले भी आया था मुस्लिम के एक कार्यक्रम में. 2-3 बार मैं आ चुका. एक बार मैं ईसाई डायलॉग से भी आया था. हम जितने यहाँ बैठे हैं ऑफ डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स हैं, ऑफ डिफरेंट कास्ट हैं, ऑफ डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस हैं, ऑफ डिफरेंट बिहेवियर्स. आप सब से मैं पूछूं, आपको कभी आज तक एवर यू ड्रीम्ड इन इंग्लिश और लैटिन? सबको सपने आते हैं कि नहीं आते हैं? सपने आते हैं तो जरा हाथ खड़ा कर दो. जिनको कभी अपनी जिंदगी के अंदर इंग्लिश में या लैटिन में सपना आया, वो हाथ खड़ा कर. आप कितना भी अंग्रेजी बोलिए, खुदा ने, ईश्वर ने आपको सपना अंग्रेजी में नहीं देना है. अंग्रेजी बोलना ये आपकी बनावट है. मदर लैंग्वेज में और मदरलैंड के लिए बोलना ये आपकी खुदाई है. इसलिए मैंने हिंदुस्तान के हाई कोर्ट के, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज से एक प्रश्न किया. यू स्पोकन इन इंग्लिश, आई विल आल्सो ट्राई टू स्पोक इन इंग्लिश. मैंने सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी से प्रश्न किया, यू टॉट इन हार्वर्ड, यू स्पोकन इन इंग्लिश. मैंने दोनों से पूछा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज से भी पूछा और इस हार्वर्ड के प्रोफेसर से भी पूछा, हैव यू ड्रीम्ड इन इंग्लिश और लैटिन? नहीं. मैंने कहा आज आप कोर्ट बुलाइए रात को 2 बजे और सोने से पहले कहिए, मिस्टर ड्रीम हाजिर हो, तो आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? ही वोंट लिसन यू. होंगे आप चीफ जस्टिस, उस पर नहीं चलती क्योंकि वो खुदाई है. मेरे और आप पर चल सकती हैं क्योंकि हम इंसान हैं, और इंसान में भी इंसान नहीं रहकर थोड़े गिर गए, लड़ते हैं, नफरत वाले, इसलिए ऑर्डर चल सकता है, पर खुदाई पर ऑर्डर नहीं चल सकता. उनका सवाल ही नहीं उठता. मैंने कहा कि अब आप ट्राई करिए 2 साल कि आपको किसी दिन अंग्रेजी में या लैटिन में सपना आ जाए, अरबी में या तुर्की में आ जाए. आई वाज इन ए कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ मौलानास. मैंने कहा आज तक आपको अरबी में और तुर्की में सपना आया है? उनका कभी नहीं आया. किसमें आता है? हिंदुस्तानी. When God has decided this, when Khuda decided it, when the Rabb decided it, when the Allah decided it, when the Ishwar, Parameshwar, Paramatma decided it, to dream in Hindustani, who are we to go to against Hindustani? It means we are a man जो खुदा को भी डिनाई करेंगे, ईश्वर का भी डिनाई करेंगे, मुर्गन को भी नहीं सुनेंगे, इसलिए लिसन द गॉड, एक्सेप्ट द गॉड, लिसन द खुदा, एक्सेप्ट द खुदा, लिसन द ईश्वर, एक्सेप्ट द ईश्वर। जिसको इसने खुदा कहा, अल्लाह कहा, गॉड कहा, ईश्वर कहा, परमेश्वर कहा, वाहेगुरु कहा उसने, तो भगवान ने एक उत्तर दिया है दोस्तों। सब भाषाओं वालों का और मजहबों का अलग अलग उत्तर है। किसी का वो खुदा है, किसी का वो अल्लाह है, किसी का वो गॉड है, किसी का वो वाहेगुरु है, किसी का वो रब है, किसी का ईश्वर परमेश्वर परमात्मा है। परंतु फरिश्ताओं का, इंसानियत का एक ही उत्तर है, हर ईश्वर परमेश्वर अल्लाह खुदा वह ऊपर वाला है। और इन एनी लैंग्वेज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ऊपर वाला कांट बी ट्रांसलेटेड। इफ यू गो टू द स्पेन, स्पेनिश विल कॉल हिम ऊपर वाला। इफ यू गो टू द अमेरिका, लेटिन कॉल इट ऊपर वाला। इफ यू गो टू द अरब और तुर्किस्तान, तुर्की एंड अरबी कॉल्ड इट ऊपर वाला। ऊपर वाला इज द कॉमन नेम फॉर ऑल इन द यूनिवर्स। तो इसलिए नॉलेज इज देयर, परंतु एक्सेप्टेंस इज नॉट देयर। मनुष्य खुदा से बड़ा बनकर ना जी सका है, ना कभी जी सकेगा। ईसाई कभी गॉड से बड़ा बनकर ना जी सका है, ना कभी जी सकेगा। फॉर पीस एंड फॉर प्रॉस्पेरिटी व्हाट इज द बेसिक नीड? रिस्पेक्ट ऑल, फॉलो योर ओन। व्हेन यू डोंट रिस्पेक्ट अदर्स, आपका बेटा भी आपके खिलाफ बगावत करके लड़ाई कर ले, घर तोड़ देगा। इसलिए रिस्पेक्टिंग एवरीबॉडी इज ए वे टू पीस, प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड डेवलपमेंट। डिनाइंग एनीबॉडी एंड इंसल्टिंग एनीबॉडी इज ए conflict. Some days before, Iranian ambassador came to me to meet us. तो उन्होंने कहा कि व्हाट इज योर से? मैंने कहा हम इंडिया के इंडियन हैं, हम ईरान के ईरानी नहीं हैं, हम अमेरिका के अमेरिकन भी नहीं हैं, हम इजराइल के इजरायली भी नहीं हैं, हम भारत के भारतीय हैं, हिंदुस्तान के हिंदुस्तानी हैं, इंडिया के इंडियन हैं। इसलिए हम ये कहेंगे, स्टॉप दिस नॉनसेंस। वी वांट पीस इन द वर्ल्ड, नॉट द कन्फ्लिक्ट इन द वर्ल्ड। यू आर गिविंग कन्फ्लिक्ट्स टू द वर्ल्ड, वी वांट पीस इन द वर्ल्ड। इसलिए हमारा मैसेज ये है कि स्टॉप दिस नॉनसेंस। आखिरकार आप इतने साल लड़ लिए और इतने साल और लड़कर करेंगे क्या? क्या नौकरी मिलेगी? क्या कोठी मिलेगी? क्या जॉब मिलेगी? क्या डिग्री मिलेगी? वट यू विल गॉट? ओनली बर्बादी, बर्बादी, बर्बादी। वी इंडियन डोंट वांट बर्बादी, वी इंडियन वांट डेवलपमेंट। इसलिए माई मैसेज to the America Trump, my message to the Quran family, my message to the Netanyahu Israel, stop this शैतानियत, इस शैतान की एक्टिविटी को छोड़िए। इसलिए इंडिया का ये मैसेज है। इसलिए इंडिया ही है एक देश जो कहलाता है सारे जहां से अच्छा। किसी में हिम्मत नहीं है वो सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान को मिटा सके।